I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see Spotify About the Song story cards. Step 1. Open the Spotify mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and start playing a track. Step 2. Tap the Now Playing bar at the bottom of the screen to expand it into the full screen Now Playing view. Step 3. Scroll down past the main playback controls and the song lyrics section. Step 4. Look for a section labeled About the Song. If the track supports this feature, you will see a card detailing the history or inspiration behind the music. You can swipe left or right through the cards to explore the different stories and trivia bits provided for that specific track. Because this feature is still in beta, it is important to know that it is currently rolling out primarily for Spotify Premium users streaming in English. If you do not see the About the Song card when you scroll down, the feature might not be available in your region yet, or that specific track may not have story cards attached to it. Major artists and popular tracks are the most likely to have these cards available during the initial rollout phase. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.